In echoes of the language used during the November 2017 military intervention that removed former President Robert Mugabe from power, a group of retired military generals and former senior civil servants is accused a pro-president Emerson Mnangagwa faction within ZANU-PF of driving the controversial Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, Cap 3, that was subscribed by the bill icon. Repeat them now. Hold on your community. Generals target criminals surrounding Mnangagwa. The group argues that the proposed constitutional changes are being pushed by individuals surrounding the president and alleges that Mnangagwa is both aware of and stands to benefit from the amendments. In a statement issued on Monday and signed by Air Marshal Henry Muchena, the former officials intensified their opposition to Cap 3, accusing the government of presuming constitutional changes that serve political interest rather than the broader national interest. The statement rejected the parliamentary consultation process on the bill, describing it as choreographed and alleging that citizens were pressured into signing letters supporting the proposed amendments. The group said it formally petitioned Parliament in March and called for a national referendum, arguing that significant constitutional changes should be subjected to direct public approval. According to the statement, their request has not received a response. The retired officials also disclosed that they met President Mnangagwa on 18 and 19 May in an attempt to discuss their concerns. However, they said the engagement failed to produce any meaningful progress. According to the statement, the president responded to their concern by saying, "Whoever wins, wins," a remark the group interpreted as a dismissive of objections being raised by citizens and members of the ruling party. Mamiro Zagaita, Patashika, Patiri mu Zimbabwe. Panakomesa medu za fundo enyi muri kudipa mzoro pechitiko ichi. Muzama subscribe, like, hapo on the bell icon.